So guys, I want you guys to think very carefully. Listen carefully, Jimmy. Shh. Okay, we are ready to learn. All right, we're going to settle down. We're ready to learn. Oh, Miranda plants 9, Jimmy. Shh. Miranda plants 9 flowers in the morning. She then plants 4 more flowers in the afternoon. How many flowers did Miranda plant by the end of the day? We're going to make a drawing and a number bond and a statement. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, Miranda, she planted 9 flowers in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many flowers did you plant in the afternoon? Do you remember? 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, we have 9 plus 4. We need to make a group of 10. Okay? We need to make a group of 10. We're not playing our hair. It's not a hair salon. It's not hair school. So we don't play with our hair because it's not hair school. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's my group of 10. And then I have got 1, 2, 3 left, which is very easy to count. We go 10, 11, 12, 13. So that goes up in our number bond. And then we would say she planted 13. Excuse me. You don't need to be squeaking. All right. She planted 13 flowers. Easy peasy. All right. We're going to keep doing. Yep.
What does that mean? Race.
Go for the one. Pika. Okay. There's just there. Okay. All right. Who's ready to listen? Oh, I see lots of ears ready to listen. I need you on your bottom so your neighbor behind you can actually see. Because you're kind of tall, which is great. But that means when you sit on your feet, so you need to have your feet on the floor. Like that's what I'm saying. Sweetie, move your feet to the inside of your desk, like properly. When you sit on your legs, your poor neighbor behind you can't see. Okay. So, Miguel, my friend Miguel has 9 green cubes. My friend Max has 3 red cubes. So I'm going to make sure that Miguel has 9 cubes, okay? My cubes keep falling apart. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Yeah, okay. But I had 10 out here. I don't know where my 10 went now. All right, well, anyway. I have 9 green cubes for Miguel. And my friend Maximilian has 3 cubes. Okay? So what would the expression, what is the problem would we write down, which is called the expression? Anybody? Miranda?
9 plus 3.
Very good. So when you write down, when we're talking about the problem, like how many cubes you have together, you that's called an expression, and you'd say 9 plus 3 is the expression. Okay, 9 plus 3. Okay, and we just double checked that. Okay, but do you know what would be faster than sitting there counting up each one of these, Maximilian? It'd be faster to actually put them in groups of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can see, oh, there's 1 less, that's 9. Right? And then in order to right away we could see five, that there's 9. And I had put a 5-group organizer in your desk. I'm sure it's all smashed and destroyed by now because you guys have been a lot more don't shake your head at me. Oh yeah, I bet you it's destroyed. Because you guys were a lot wilder than I anticipated. I should have known better in the desk, so I might have to make one and laminate it for you. Anyway, so if we put it into the 10 square, like this, and this is what you had in your desks, but you, right? Everybody had one of those in your desks. Like I say, I think half of yours got destroyed, but it's super easy to see how many blocks you have. When you put that in there, one less than 10 is 9. So you'd see that right away. I gave you one at home too, and that one was yellow. Yeah, that was kind of the yellow one. So if you have yours at home and you want to bring it and work on it until I'm able to make you guys new ones, that would be awesome. All right, we're not playing. So you have 9, and then you could very easily make that group of 10 by popping off one of these. You have 2 groups of 5. You've got your 10. Girls, I don't want you to dig in your desks right now. Not right now. Okay? So you go 10, 11, 12. So making that group of 10 made it very, very easy and quick. Okay? So, excuse me, Jimmy. Chill. So, what you do is you broke that 3 up. Right? We took away 1. We gave that to the 9. This became a group of 10. You have 2 left. So you did 10 plus 2 equals 12. Yes, that's it.
I don't know.
Yes, Jimmy, we're not, Jamie, no, we're not digging through our desk. We're not looking for it. Please don't argue with me. I know everybody had one because I put it in your desks myself before you guys came to school. But like I said, I know in the chaos of being here and all the stuff going in and out of your desks, a lot of stuff kind of got ruined. I need Anaya, what is that? Seriously, you cannot be trusted with anything, everything, just because of how can I distract myself instead of doing my work thing? I don't care if you fiddle with your fingers, but you have to be able to focus your brains and your eyes up here. Okay, so fiddle with them in your lap. There you go. So your eyeballs and your brains can be faced up here. If you do it in front of your face, what happens is your eyes are looking at it. You're distracted. If you're fiddling it within your lap so that your eyes and your brains can look up front, then that's fine. But you can't fiddle it with it in front of your face because then it's a problem. Okay? So what you guys are doing today is you are making that group of 10 by splitting up the other number, which is what we've been doing, right? You've been taking away from the other number in order to make a group of 10. Okay, so let's try it. Let's do, it's funny that I can, okay. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. So if we have 9, how many do we need to make 10? You guys should all know this. 1, okay? So if we have 2 and we take 1 away, how many do we have left?
1.
Everybody should know this, right? 1. And then 1 left. So 9, we do this little guy. 9 plus 1 becomes
10. 11.
10. No, 9 plus 1 is 10. And then you have 10 plus 1. Stop. Yeah. 10 plus 1. So you go 10, 11. Right? So that would be your answer to everything. So, and then you'd have little spot over here, you'd also write 11 in. Okay, and then you would say, and then it's going to say something like this. It's going to have the dots right there. 10 plus blank equals blank, okay? So that's what your worksheet is going to look like. Very, very similar to that. Okay, you might even have, if you have space to draw your pictures, you totally can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. You draw your circle to make 10. You've got 1 left over. 10, 11. Okay? It's just like what you've been doing. What? Just like what I've been doing. Oh my gosh. Ah! Come on.
Doesn't he not erase?
Okay. So let's keep going. Let's do it again. Everybody, numbers in the 10. All right. Numbers in the 2s. All right. So it's going to look like that. And then it's going to say. Okay, how many do you need to add to 9 to make 10? Everybody should know it. How many fingers in the air? 1. Gosh, Jimmy. Don't you start yelling random numbers. 9 plus 5. Okay, and if you have 5 and you take away the 1, you have 4 left. Okay? Shh, Jimmy. So you've got 9 plus 1 equal 10, and then you have your 1 left over, 10 plus 4. So we go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, if you've drawn your picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you do your 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do 9 and steal that one. Now that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? Oh my gosh. And then you write 14 up here too. Okay. If we have 9 plus 3, what do we need to do? I think Ellie was showing me we need 1. So we need to split 3 into 1 and 2. How many do you have left, right? If you have 3, Miguel, your life will be easier if you do this with us. Don't sit there and space out. Okay? So you split 3 into 1 and 2. Okay, you group your 9 and your 1. 10 plus 2. Gosh, dang it. Equals 10, 11, 12. Right? And then you should have an equal 12 over here. I need to do this again. Come on. So what this does is it kind of aligns it to my touch so that, you know how sometimes I touch it like here and it'll show up like over here? This kind of helps with that a little bit. It tries to help bring it closer together from where I actually touch it to where it makes its mark or whatever. Because it makes me a little crazy when I have to. Yeah, and if you draw your picture for this, of course, it's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2. You're going to group one of those. Sorry, 3. There you go. You're going to group 1 to make your group of 10. You've got 2 left together. You've got 10, 11, 12. Right? Right, then I would only have 11.
No, it looks like you. 0.
Okay. Let's do it again. Numbers in the teens, a group of 10. Now, if I've got my number over here, We're still gonna use this bigger number, break the smaller one up, okay? And as Miss Ellie's showing me, we need 1, and then how many do we have left over? If we have 6, oh, we can take this one over here. We have 5. Okay, 5. So I know it's my 9 plus 1 equals 10, plus I've got 5 left over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, if I needed to do my picture too, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oh, there you go. Okay, and I group my 9 plus 1 more makes 10, and I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. What the heck? I messed up. Okay. I know. Oh, maybe I did. Okay. All right. That was my, okay. I can see 1 over here, so that confused me anyway. I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Anyway, it gets a little wonky donkey on this board sometimes. Just a little wonky donkey.
We might have to take it like this.
Okay. So if you have to switch it around, which side, it doesn't matter which side your bigger number's on. Does it? No, it does not. Sometimes they might even have, this is your 10 frame box, and this is so you can draw your picture. If it has a blank box like that, it's so you can draw your picture, okay, and fill it in right away. So, like if you have 8 plus 9 equals blank. How many do we need to make that 10? We're going to make the 9. The 9's bigger, right? So we need 1. So we're going to take away 1 from 8. If I've got 8 and I take away 1, I've got 5, 6, 7, right? Okay. This becomes my 10 plus 7. And if I'm drawing my picture for this, I go like this. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw my 8. Jimmy, shh. 1, and I'm just going to draw that 1 in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would show 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my goodness, can you do it? I believe in you. I believe you can fly. I believe you can touch the sky. Okay. And guess what? All the work I'm doing up here are problems from your book, your problem, your work. Okay? So I don't want you to hear, I've never seen a problem like this in my life. When really, I just did all the problems from your page. Okay. 4 plus 9. How many does 9 need to become a 10? I see, you should see it on your fingers. 1. Okay, so we know that needs to become the 10. How many do we have left over? If we've got 4 and we take away 1, we should have 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 10. 11, 12, 13. That's your answer. If you're going to draw, if they're going to have you draw your picture, you have space to draw the picture, right? We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're doing the 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 4. 4, there we go. And now we've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Because we did our 9 plus 4 in the drawings here, okay? Ooh, thank you so much for those of you who are listening and ready to show me that you are gonna blow this out of the park, out of the water, right? You're gonna do your work. And we're not gonna fuss, we're not going to be crazy. Oh. 9 plus 5. We need to break 5 up into 4 and 1. Right? 1 and 4. And you're going to make this a 10 plus 4 equals 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Turn around. 14. If you draw your picture, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you do your 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So those are kind of the different ways that they're going to be having you do the problem. So Jimmy, are you going to look at it and freak out? No, Ms. Kennison. I'm going to know this is what I've been working for my whole life. Or at least for this half hour. Okay, so I'll put a few up here. 9 plus 5. We're going to do that one again, for funsies. 9 plus 5. As Jimmy said, how many do we need to break the 5 up into? You need 1 and? No. 1, what's the other number that's going to make 5?
1.
1 and?
2.
No. 1 and 2 make 3. So if I have 5 and I take away 1, Danny, you're going to use your big, beautiful brain. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Okay? The 9 and the 1 together are going to make your 10 plus your 4 that's left over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Right? And then also you could draw your picture. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You draw that so that you've got your group of 9, and then 1 more makes 10. Plus 4, 14. Okay. Okay, apparently my touch is off again. Dang it. 9 plus 3. 3 is going to become, if you take away the 1 that we know we need, we've got 2. 1 and 2. Ow, Mr. Squatrito slammed that door and messed it up. Okay. Well, it just slammed. Okay, so then that becomes 10 plus 2. And it might even have a little box. If we have a 10 from there, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 3. So we're going to make that a 10. 1, 2, 3. Well, 10, 11, 12. Hey. 4 plus 9. Guess what? The 9's the bigger one. We're going to break that 4 up into the 2 to make 10. If I've got 4, what? Quickly. Okay, and you take away your 1 that you need to make 10. Jimmy, don't put your hands all over your feet. Yucky, yucky, yucky. You have 3 left over. Okay, 1 and 3. That 9 and that 1 together make 10. Plus your 3 left over. Okay, if you do it in your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Then we're going to start counting our 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 all together. Okay, 10 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Ah, that one was real wonky donkey. Okay. All right, who's ready? I'm gonna do one more. Okay, 6 plus 9. As Ellie's showing me, we need 1 to make that 9 a 10. If we've got 6 and we take away 1, we have 5 left over. Okay, so then we do 10 plus 5 equals how many? Okay, they might even have a little box there for us to do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, hold on. Then we're going to do our 6. So we have 1 here to make that a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We do the same thing with our fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. All right, please get out your workbooks. You're doing lesson 4. Lesson 4. No, your math workbooks, which just look like Eureka Math. If you're at home, please, I don't know the page number because your page numbers are different than mine. It should say, if you're at home, pause the video, write down the problems. Turn it down, Dojo.